Hi, hello ma'am, sir, good day. I am Vanessa Candelario, married from Rosales, Pangasinan, Philippines. I have a son, 20 years old, and I have a daughter, 16 years old. I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines, and they are 6 members in the family, together with the newborn twin babies. My duties and responsibilities in my former employers is cooking, cleaning, and taking good care to the newborn babies. And also, I'll go to the market to buy some groceries. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide more for my family. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid and be new member of your family. And I promise to take good care of your childrens. Thank you, and I'm hoping and looking forward to work with you, sir, ma'am, and as soon as possible. Thank you.